Hello guys, now we're going to cook chicken curry today. Now is my ingredients: sliced garlic, onions. I put 2 so that it's more better and tasty. I have also a slice of ginger, tomato, chicken meat. I have also here curry powder. That's curry powder. We will also use tomato, tomato, a little bit pepper. I have also here Knorr chicken buffalo and olive oil. First of all, we will put the little bit olive oil in this one. We will saute the garlic, onions, garlic, and the ginger. We can all combine them. One at a time. So let us now saute these 3 garlic, sliced onions, and the ginger. Continue cooking, sauteing the garlic, onions, and ginger until it is brownish. Then we will put the tomato. Stir it thoroughly. Cook also the tomato. Can already put a little bit water. We can put the curry powder. We will put also a little bit pepper. And then the broccoli. can put a little bit the tomato paste. Then we can also put the chicken meat. I have also here slug overs, but this is only optional. You can put it or you can just without any slug overs. This is only to make it more tastier. You can put a little bit here. So it can be only. Now we can also put water. Then we will let it cook. We will cover and cook it until the meat is tender. Later we will see it again. I also cut some 2 pieces of potatoes, but this is only optional. If you like it, you can also put, or not, it's no problem. We can also put this one here. Now I'm going to open. Oh. It's tasty. We can now already put the potato. This is only optional. You can put it or you can not put it also. If you only like it, then it's good. Also put a little bit of salt, but not too much. We will still continue cooking it until the potato and the chicken meat is tender. will cover it in 15 minutes and cook it. So it's already done. Our chicken curry is already cooked. It's already done. Chicken curry is finished. Just done. Wow, it's a yummy chicken curry. Yummy. It's tasty. It's very good. Wow, this is already finished. It's very good. Chicken curry is ready to eat. You can eat this with rice, or you can also eat with bread or chapati or onions. It's good. So now it's ready to eat. It's yummy. Very tasty. So let's eat now. Let's cook the rice for this together.